Hey everyone. Welcome to the Better You Journey, where we explore ways to improve your life and make everyday tasks easier. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the history of cleaning products. Ever wonder how we got from using ashes and vinegar to the powerful cleaners we use today? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a trip through time. Let's go back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. In early history, cleaning was a pretty manual task. Ancient Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks used natural substances like sand, clay, and plant extracts to scrub and wash their clothes and homes. They didn't have fancy chemical formulas, just what nature provided. For example, the Egyptians used a combination of water, natron, a natural salt, and ashes for cleaning their bodies and clothes. They were ahead of their time with some pretty effective methods. Fast forward to the 19th century. The Industrial Revolution completely changed the game. With advancements in chemistry, cleaning products started evolving from basic soaps to more specialized solutions. One of the major breakthroughs was soap. The ancient Egyptians may have started it, but it was in the 1800s that soap became more widely manufactured and available, thanks to advances in chemistry. People started using soap to clean everything from their bodies to their clothes. But it wasn't just soap that changed things. In 1865, a chemist named Robert Chesapeake patented a product called Vaseline, which became popular for skincare and cleaning purposes. This was just the beginning of many more specialized products to come. As we entered the 20th century, cleaning products started becoming more readily available and much more effective. Companies like Lysol and Clorox were founded, offering specialized products like disinfectants and bleach to keep homes cleaner and healthier. Lysol, founded in 1889, became a household name with its disinfectant spray. Clorox, which was founded in 1913, introduced bleach to the market, an iconic product that's still going strong today. By the 1920s, cleaning products were no longer just about soap. Now, they were a way to tackle germs, stains, and dirt with specialized cleaners designed for specific tasks, making our cleaning routines much easier. Fast forward to today, and cleaning products have come a long way. From eco-friendly options to products that tackle everything from grease to germs, the cleaning aisle has never been more diverse. Now, we have cleaning products for every need: disinfecting wipes, all-purpose sprays, and even green cleaning products made from natural ingredients. Consumers are more conscious about sustainability, and brands are responding with eco-friendly, biodegradable cleaners that work just as well. So, what's next? As technology advances, we're seeing innovations like robotic vacuums, cleaning robots, and even smart cleaning products that can be controlled by apps. The future of cleaning is all about convenience, sustainability, and smarter solutions. Who knows? In the next few years, cleaning might be as simple as pressing a button on your phone, and robots could be cleaning your home while you relax. Pretty incredible, right? From simple ash and water to high-tech products that do all the hard work for us, cleaning has come a long way. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of cleaning products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of the Better You Journey. And remember, keep your space clean, and your life will follow.
Hey, if you're as excited about cleaning smarter and greener as I am, I've got something special for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to check out Amway's eco-friendly cleaning products. These powerful, sustainable cleaners are designed to give you a spotless home while being kind to the planet. So, why not make a cleaner choice today? Click the link and start your journey towards a healthier home and a greener future with Amway.